Hey there, AI enthusiasts. Welcome back to AI News, your daily roundup of all things artificial intelligence. I'm your host, Babs, and I'm here to bring you the latest developments in the world of AI, straight from the source, AI itself. So let's dive into today's top stories. Our news for today includes Scale AI to set the Pentagon's path for testing and evaluating large language models. DefenseScoop, the Australian institute which is trying to tame the AI beast Cosmos. Here's what happens when ChatGPT writes a scientific article. Time, and House leaders launch bipartisan artificial intelligence task force. NBC News. Time for a news dive. The Pentagon's Chief Digital and Artificial Intelligence Office has contracted Scale AI to develop a framework for testing and evaluating large language models for military planning. The goal is to deploy AI safely by measuring model performance and creating specialized evaluation sets. The complexities of generative AI make traditional test and evaluation processes challenging, but Scale AI will create holdout datasets and iterate the evaluation process. The ultimate intent is to establish model cards and automate the evaluation of new models. The work aims to enhance the robustness and resilience of AI systems in classified environments. Scale AI has also partnered with various organizations, including Meta, Microsoft, and the U.S. Army, to test and evaluate generative AI responsibly. Simon Lucey, director of the Australian Institute for Machine Learning, discusses the limitations of modern AI, describing it as brute force and lacking comprehension and reasoning. He highlights the focus on large language model (LLM) systems, which can absorb vast amounts of knowledge but struggle with context and nuance. Lucey emphasizes the need for new approaches to produce different kinds of intelligence tailored to specific environments, with the ability to reason and make broader thinking decisions. The AIML aims to capitalize on this by developing machine deep learning techniques that emulate neural networks. The goal is to solve tough problems in the 21st century without relying solely on big data and compute power. AI program ChatGPT is being used to write review articles for scientific journals, but its accuracy and reliability are questionable. While the AI-generated articles were well-written and easy to read, up to 70% of the cited references were inaccurate or fictitious, and the AI versions were more likely to be plagiarized. However, there were some advantages, such as faster data processing and better grammar. With proper programming and training, ChatGPT could potentially become a useful tool for researchers, but it still requires improvement to address issues like questionable references and plagiarism. The more feedback the students provided, the better the AI program learned. Despite its flaws, the potential of AI in the scientific writing process and gaining scientific insights is recognized, but using it in an ethical and conscientious manner is crucial. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer has convened high-profile forums on artificial intelligence, and now the two leaders of the House, Speaker Mike Johnson and Minority Leader Hakeem Jeffries, are launching a bipartisan task force on AI. The task force, led by Chairman Jay Obernolte and co-chairman Ted Lieu, will explore how Congress can help America be a leader in AI innovation and study guardrails to protect against potential threats. The goal is to write a comprehensive report with guiding principles, recommendations, and policy proposals. The task force includes members from both parties, with a focus on bipartisan collaboration to ensure the development of safe and trustworthy technology. Separately, Democratic Republican Ro Khanna hosted an AI forum focused on worker equity, deception, and preparing society for an AI-integrated world. And that's a wrap for today's AI News Roundup. If you enjoyed staying up to date with all the latest in artificial intelligence, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more daily updates. And if you're hungry for more tech tidbits, check out one of the other videos on your screen. Now, here's an AI joke for you. Why was the computer cold? Because it left its windows open. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next roundup.